Hello out there in YouTube land, Kevin here with a box opening. So school is out. I've not been in my office for about a good month, I would say. But I always have my packages delivered here because it's much safer. This is a Jacono. It's a Jacono Night. That's right. It's a Jacono Night Volcano. And Bishop Volcano. Bishop means partially carved. So here's the box. I've cut it, but I haven't actually looked inside yet. So here goes. This is from smokingpipes.com, which is probably where most of my packages come from. And I ordered this pipe because I really needed a new one. Just kidding. Okay, getting closer. Here we go. We're gonna do it this time. Okay. Okay, it comes in a Smoking Pipes box, not a Jacono box, which is fine. I don't know if the Jacono has a box. Actually, I don't think so. Okay. More bubble wrap. And it's all here in the nice original sock, which is, I don't collect the socks per se, but it's a darker color than the one I've seen before, so now I like that. Okay. So yes, it's not a black stem. I think is my only Jacono without a black stem. I think. And then I have other pipes that are not. But, you know what? There it is. There's the little eye. And let's go whoosh all at once. Here it goes. Whoosh. Ooh. Oh, that is fucking awesome. That is awesome. That is, okay, this is better than the picture that I ordered it from. So you get a little glare from the window there. And I'm not sure I'm not sure if I'm removing the glare or I'm just making it darker. But that is nice. This is what makes it the Bishop, the carving down here. So this is Bishop E. I forgot it was an E. Didn't know or forgot. Probably didn't know. I probably forgot. Really nice flame grain all around, and you gotta love that shape. We don't got to, but I do. I got to. That is beautiful. That is really nice. Okay, little small bowl. I mean, chamber. Not bowl, obviously. Feels good. Looks good on me. Huh? Okay. I want to fire this up. I'm not sure what with. I haven't smoked the pipe in a while because I haven't been in my office for a while, so I do all my smoking. Almost all my smoking. It's too cold to smoke outside. It's been below zero for a while. Alright, well, I'm going to fire this baby up. Hope I will be enjoying my pipe. Hope you're enjoying yours. Toodaloo.